and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hi guys. If you're new here, I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm Lara and this channel is all about productive and purposeful living. So if that's something that you've been searching for a little bit more of in your life, feel free to hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified of when I upload videos. So today's video is a little bit different than usual. I have decided that in order to get more productive with my life and a little bit more intentional about where I want to get to with this year, I've noticed that I actually have a huge gap in what I require. Pretty much, I don't have an office space in my house. I've kind of noticed that having a spare room, when really I only have people come and stay with me once every 2 months, and out of that time it's usually only short stays, then having an entire room dedicated to that seems ridiculous. And I have like this massive amount of space that's dedicated to, I don't know, like 12 days a year. So instead what I've decided to do is I am going to turn our spare room into an office. However, I still want it to function, being able to be a space that people come and stay with us. So I have decided to make it both. Though I don't usually do room makeover videos, I think that this one's really important because it's talking about how you can value your goals and value your intentions in a physical space. So without further ado, let's hop to it. Hi guys, and welcome to the space I'm hoping to turn into an office. So yes, there's still a lot of crap in here. I had a thought. So I am wanting to turn this space into an office space, but still be able to sleep people. So I was going to get rid of this bed and then put in a couch that converts. However, I'm also realizing that I am trying to save money because my major goal for this year is to travel. So in honor of looking at my vision board and realizing that one of my major goals is travel, the priority to have this be a like snazzy office is not up there, but what is more important is that I make it functional as an office as soon as I can. So what I'm going to try and do today is rearrange this. I'll get rid of that bedside table. I'll use this little table as a coffee table and to turn this into like a daybed couch situation. So then people can still sleep on it, but then in terms of an office, it's like a comfortable space I can still work. So I guess I'll start rearranging some stuff. So I still think that it's too long for the space and I will eventually want to get, oh good lord, come on focus. And I will eventually want to get a sofa to replace it so it's shorter and it opens up the space a bit. But while we're saving, that can be on the bottom of the list unless I see a perfect sofa that's for so cheap, then it's a why not type situation. But for now, let's convert this and see what we can do. I apologize in advance for the noise. I turned the fan on, it's really hot in here. So there we go, little day bed. Not quite as convenient as a couch, but definitely cheaper because I already owned it. So, one of the things that I discovered through this is one, there was a lot of like stuff stored under that bed that I don't think I need and can go. So, here is the corner of doom. Bed here, oh, and just crap everywhere else. So that I'm going to take outside because that can be to be sold. I'll photograph that and then take it out. And then hopefully Mum will be coming to visit soon and she can take that lamp. Yeah, it's just a lot of things. Try and figure out where it can go. Welcome back to converting the office, nope, the spare room into an office. There are a couple of changes. One, we have purchased this chair. Ooh. And we got ourselves a desk, which sucked. It was really heavy, it didn't fit in our car, it was a whole thing. We moved that in last night. Ooh, desk. But, light maybe. Okay, better lighting. Sorry if noise is weird, fans on, it's really hot. So, desk is in, not in the right spot. So today's job is to sort through these piles of doom, also in here, and maybe put the desk in the right spot. Put this on for sale, and then I guess we'll see where we're at. Hopefully we can tidy this mofo up a little bit. Alright, here we go. Okay, I am sweaty and hot, but another piece of the puzzle is finished and enough that I think I'm gonna stop for now because I have a workspace that is ready, which I'm really excited about. Let's have a little look-see. So I am super happy with that. I finally have an office space in my house. Before we get too excited, there's still a bunch to do in this room. There's a little corner of the room I haven't really shown you that has my makeup desk, my changing mirror, and then there's a bunch of stuff on the ground which is going to the op shop. However, and a bag of rubbish, clearly. But that's gonna go out right now. But still, it's pretty organized. All the stuff that is mess that was under the bed is gone. All the stuff that needs to stay there still is. I'm really happy with this. New year. Having a desk, also means that I will be able to work from home more effectively. I'm also gonna make this whole kind of office space like my little zone. So I have put down here by my desk all my exercise gear. So that I have plenty of floor space to be able to lay out a mat in the morning and get some exercise done. So I am proper stoked with this. If you have the opportunity, make a little corner of your house yours, because the more you can kind of have a space that is your own, that can be dedicated towards your productivity, just the better life's gonna be. Get intentional and make sure that you have an area that you can call your own, that you can call your focus zone. And let's get to it, let's get to the life you want. This is helping me get to mine. I hope that it's inspiring you to get to yours. As always, thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Alright team, thank you so much for joining me on my channel. If intentional living, productive lifestyle is something that you are after, then subscribe so that you're notified of when I upload videos. It is every single Thursday. And as always, thank you so much for coming to hang out. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.